That's it for me.
That's it for you, what?
Never flying again.
Why?
Oh, man, you're recording it?
No,
No.
taking pictures. Are you okay, Charlie?
Yeah.
Can you hold your hand out? Let's see how much you're shaking.
I don't want to pull the plug out.
You should. Why?
Because it can start beeping.
I don't want your arm. You okay, Charlie?
No.
Let me see the damage again. What happened?
Crack the prop.
So you broke one prop, that's it.
That's it.
Any arms fractured?
No.
Any dirt on the quad itself?
I'm gonna
Doesn't really look like any
I'm gonna
dirt.
have to clean it.
Let me hold this thing, man. You're making me
Thanks.
nervous.
I just want to change the prop and test it.
You're gonna fly it again, I hope.
Yeah, right. I'm going to change the prop.
Oh, okay. All right. I don't want you. Wow. Why did it? Oh, that was a long in between. Is somebody over there with Paul? No. All right. That's it. Charlie's still composed after his first crash. September what? 4th today? Whatever. September something. It's 5th. 4th, Saturday, 2021. Charlie survived the accident.